Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Steph. Today I'm showcasing this curl defining custard from Biocare Labs, and I just wanted to demonstrate this on some locks, guys. My husband has locks, so I just wanted to show you guys how you can also do locks with this custard. Now guys, this custard is very lightweight. This is why I'm opting to do this lately with the custard. You know, my husband has, his hair is pretty much like mine. We have like 4B, 4C hair, and it's been a while since I've done it, probably a couple months as far as a retwist, so it was definitely time. But I love this product on his locks because it's very lightweight, and the products or the ingredients are bomb. Now it does have shea butter, natural honey, and almond oil. It's also free of sulfates, paraben, dyes, mineral oils, DEA, and TEA. It does show in, on here as well that it's for locks, twists, curls, and waves. So it's definitely for locks, guys. As you all see, I'm able to twist his hair with ease. I do separate it as much as I can as far as with my comb, and put the product on, and then I just kind of comb the hair a little bit, just kind of smooth the cuticles. Just comb the roots as far as where it has, as far as where the new growth is. I just comb that, and then I start to palm twist, and that's it. Now he does have quite a bit of locks. He has a lot of hair like me, but and then he wanted them kind of small, so he does have quite a bit of locks. But it's very easy with this product. I don't have to worry about it getting hard, because I used to use Eco Gel on his locks, and that's fine. And I also use beeswax. I don't ever want to use beeswax. That's the hardest stuff to get out, y'all. But whenever you use something that's lightweight like this, you don't have to worry about buildup. You really don't have to, just do a normal shampoo and good to go. But yes, guys, as you all see, I'm just, I wouldn't call this really a tutorial or anything like that. It's just kind of showcasing the product. But yeah, we're just doing a simple retwist on his locks. This is all I use, that and some water. And as you guys see, it smooths it out. It has a beautiful shine, and it has major slip. Y'all know I love me some slip. Slip is my bae. So, definitely these products from Biocare Labs, the Curls and Naturals line, for kinky coily girls and boys. This stuff is the bomb because it keeps your hair moisturized. It's very light but effective. I love this product as well on my curls, because it just, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the curl maker from Camille Rose, but to me it's better. It's better, and half the cost. But it's better because it just enhances my curl. It doesn't make them feel crunchy at all, even on day one, but my curls are very intact. I can wear my wash and go for like 7 days or more. But I love the look it gives. So definitely check out my Biocare Lab Curls and Naturals wash day, and my wash and go. That's going to be coming up as well, guys. So yes, I love the wash and go as well with this product, but my husband loves it on his locks. And as you guys see, I'm just finishing up. I'm just doing the clip method, where I just clip the locks down to kind of give them a little stretch. Now guys, this product is available and this is in Ghana, these products are available at ShopRite, City Dia, Melcom Plus or Melcom, and Game. For my ladies in the States, I will have the link in the description bar or box for the website where you can order. Products are very affordable. I know online it's like $7.99 USD. I know at the stores it's about the same price, but it's just in city, or CD. So yeah, definitely very affordable. And guys, this is just the next day. I'm just showing you his locks. You know, he gets a lot of compliments on his locks and they are growing perfectly. But with this product, as you all see, it's giving him some good shine. Love the shine it delivers, but his locks are lightweight. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.